Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the KMODE exception not handled error in Windows 11. Whether your computer keeps crashing with a blue screen, or you simply want to make sure your system runs smoothly and without interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, restart your computer and get to the recovery screen. You can do this by clicking the power button, holding down the Shift key, and then selecting Restart. Make sure you keep holding Shift as your PC reboots. This will take you into the advanced startup options. If that doesn't work, you can turn your PC on and off 3 times as soon as you see the Windows logo, and it will bring you to the same screen. Next, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Settings. From there, click Restart, and when the options appear, press F5 or 5 to enable safe mode with networking. Once you're signed into Windows in safe mode, your screen might look a bit different, but don't worry, this is normal. To continue, open the Run dialog by typing Run in the search bar and pressing Enter. Type MSConfig and hit Enter again. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab and look for a service called LN Services. Untick it, click Apply, and close the window. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator by typing CMD in the search bar. Type SFC, scannow, and press Enter. Let the scan complete. This will check for and repair corrupted system files that could be causing the KMODE exception error. Once the scan finishes, click OK and restart your PC normally. After your computer restarts, Windows should boot without showing the KMODE exception not handled error, and your system should run smoothly. It's also a good idea to keep your drivers updated regularly to prevent similar issues in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the KMODE exception not handled error in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?